In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round corners on pictures in Affinity Photo. We're going to use a simple, non-destructive method that keeps your image fully editable and preserves transparency. Instead of trying to round the corners directly on a pixel layer, we'll create a rounded rectangle and use it as a mask, so you can tweak the look at any time without damaging your photo. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. In the Layers panel, make sure the picture sits on its own layer. If you don't see the Layers panel, enable it from the View menu so you can keep track of what's happening. Having the image as a single, clean layer will make the next steps straightforward. Next, draw the rounded shape that will define the corners. Choose the Rectangle tool from the toolbar on the left. If it's grouped with other shapes, click and hold to reveal it. Look up to the Context toolbar at the top and set the corner radius to the amount you want, such as 20 to 50 pixels or more, depending on the size of your image and how soft you want the corners to be. Now click and drag to draw the rectangle over your picture so it covers the area you want visible. You can adjust its size and position with the Move tool until it lines up exactly how you'd like. Don't worry about the rectangle's fill or stroke color. It's just a guide for the mask. The best part is that the corner radius stays editable, so you can select the shape later and refine that number at any time. With the rounded rectangle in place, it's time to clip the image to it. In the Layers panel, drag your image layer so it's positioned directly above the rounded rectangle. Then click and drag the image layer onto the rectangle layer until you see it indent, indicating a clipping group. Release, and you'll see your photo take on the rounded corners instantly. Only the area inside the rounded rectangle is now visible, and everything outside is hidden, not deleted. From here, you can use the Move tool to reposition or resize the photo inside the clipping group without breaking the effect. If you want slightly softer or sharper corners, select the rounded rectangle shape and adjust the corner radius in the Context toolbar. Because this method is non-destructive, your background remains transparent and your corners remain fully editable. That's it. Clean, flexible, rounded corners in just a few steps.